How to reset suggested content on Instagram. Follow this guide. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From there, continue scrolling until you find the content preferences and open it. At the very bottom of the content preferences page, you will see an option labeled Reset Suggested Content. Click on it to begin the reset process. Instagram will then display a short explanation about what this feature does. To continue, hit Next. Once you are ready, select Reset Suggested Content and then confirm by selecting Reset again. This will officially clear out data Instagram uses to suggest content. There we go. This is how to reset suggested content on Instagram.